name is Kevin. I'm an artist and also a musician who falls under the category of a rapper. So yeah, I love socializing with people. I love being around people. I have heart for people. I love performing my music on stage for people. But really, at the end of the day, I just think it's about the message that I deliver to those people. And ever since I started rapping, I started my art. I had this sudden desire of going around the world. Letting people know about Jesus through my talents, giving the hopeless people hope through my talents. And I firmly believe that this is a calling from God. And for the love that I have for my God, I just desire to go around the world spreading the gospel throughout the entire world and touching every soul that I possibly can out there. And as for my inspiration, I get my inspiration from church and the environment around me, just God's creation. But then again, I firmly believe that God has placed a calling for me, on me, and He really wants me to do this.